Good morning, Madison Lion Cubs. This is Mr. DSK, and I'm here on this Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024 morning to share with you what's happening at Madison this week. But before I do so, I'd like you to join me in saying Madison Lion Cubs are always respectful, always responsible, and always really, really safe. So I know and you know that we're all going to have a great day and a great week. But before we get started on that great day and great week, I have some announcements for you. First announcement is welcome back. So I hope you all had a wonderful winter break and that you are back and ready to be at school for all the learning and all the fun stuff that we have planned for you. I've missed you all, and I am so happy to see you and to be seeing you today and this week. So once again, welcome back, and I hope for everyone a happy 2024. Second announcement, our PTO is having an emergency PTO meeting this Friday, January 5th at 6 o'clock in the gym. So this is an extra meeting, and it's to talk about the consolidation process that the school board is considering. So we hope that you, our Madison families, can make it to the PTO meeting, and of course community members are invited and encouraged to attend as well. Okay, I have here a package that arrived, and I've always watched those unboxing videos on YouTube, and I've always thought how boring they are, but then I realized that when you've got your own package and you're not quite sure what's in it, that it can, well, it's interesting to me anyway. I hope it's interesting to you. So I'm going to open this up and see what it is. So it's got bubble wrap, and like I said, it's nice bubble wrap. And gosh, there's a little box here. Let me see. What is it? Oh my word! Oh, look at this. This is the award that we received. It's an acrylic award. I think if I put it behind here, you can see it better. For Madison being voted Best Elementary School in the South Sound. Isn't that lovely? It says, Best of South Sound 2023 winner, Madison Elementary School. Voted Best Elementary School, and it says it was awarded July 2023. So we just received this award now. So I'll have this placed somewhere where we can all see it and enjoy it. And so thank you for everyone who voted for Madison. We all know it's a great school. And it's you and the kids and the staff and all of us that make Madison what it is. And anyway, I thank you all for being here. What else? I think that's it for me for this week. It's a short week, so next week will be our first full week back in 2024. I'm still getting used to saying 2024 and writing it down, and I'm sure you may be struggling with that as well. Okay, well, that's it for me. Bye now. I'll see you out and about. Bye.